Welcome to our video on unlocking productivity. In this video, we will share with you some valuable life hacks that will help boost your efficiency and get more done in less time. By implementing these simple strategies into your daily routine, you will be able to accomplish your tasks more effectively and achieve your goals faster. One of the first steps to improving productivity is to organize your workspace. A cluttered and messy environment can make it difficult to concentrate and be productive. Take some time to declutter your desk, clean up your computer files, and create an organized system for your documents and supplies. By having a clean and organized space, you will be able to focus better and find everything you need easily. Another key to boosting your efficiency is to prioritize your tasks. Start by making a to-do list of all the tasks you need to accomplish for the day. Then, prioritize them based on their importance and deadline. By focusing on the most important tasks first, you can ensure that you are using your time and energy efficiently. This will also help prevent procrastination and ensure that you stay on track. Time management is crucial for maximizing productivity. One effective technique is the Pomodoro technique. This involves working on a task for 25 minutes with full concentration, followed by a short 5-minute break. After every fourth work session, take a longer break of around 15-30 minutes. This technique helps you stay focused and refreshed, and it prevents burnout. Another useful tip is to schedule your tasks and allocate specific time slots for each of them. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you complete your tasks within the set time frame. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can actually decrease productivity. Instead of trying to do multiple tasks simultaneously, focus on one task at a time. This allows you to give your full attention to the task at hand and complete it more efficiently. Switching between tasks can result in loss of focus and mistakes. Give each task its dedicated time and move on to the next one when you're finished. Taking regular breaks and allowing yourself to rest is essential for maintaining productivity. Continuous work without breaks can lead to burnout and decreased efficiency. Take short breaks every hour to stretch, move around, or have a quick chat with a colleague. Additionally, make sure to get enough sleep and incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. This will help you rejuvenate and recharge, ensuring that you have the energy to perform at your best. Technology can be a powerful tool for enhancing productivity. There are various apps and software available that can help you stay organized, manage your time, and collaborate effectively. Explore productivity tools such as project management software, task managers, and note-taking apps to find the ones that suit your needs best. By leveraging technology, you can streamline your workflow and save time and effort. In conclusion, by implementing these life hacks and strategies, you can unlock your productivity potential and achieve more in less time. Remember to organize your space, prioritize your tasks, manage your time effectively, avoid multitasking, take breaks, and make use of technology. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you will be able to boost your efficiency and accomplish your goals with greater ease. Thank you for watching.